Welcome to SkyDRM feature training. Today I will show you the Work with Office feature. SkyDRM integrates with Office seamlessly through OfficeRMX. The SkyDRM permissions of a protected Office file are mapped to the Office actions by OfficeRMX. SkyDRM OfficeRMX controls the actions in the Office based on the user's permission on the protected file. Here are mappings between the permissions of a protected file and action in the Office. Office user can perform the corresponding action based on the user's permissions on the protected Office file. Let's see a demo for this feature. I will log into RMD as Ted. Let's open the sample secret docx.nxl file first. The user will only have view permissions on this document. And you can see the user can only view the document. All other actions in the Office Word are disabled. Next, let's open the sample confidential docx.nxl file. First, we will check the permissions. The user has the view and edit permissions on this file. If you click the File menu, you can see the Save action is enabled. This is because the user has the edit permission on this document. Let's modify this document and save it. Close the Word and reopen the document. You can see the document is updated. Since I don't have the extract permission on this document, I cannot copy the content from this file. So, let's select this section. Right-click. You can see the copy action is disabled on this document. Since I don't have the permission to extract, I cannot print the screen of this document. So, let's print the screen. You can see this document disappears. You cannot print the screen for this document. Last, let's open the sampled public docx.nxl file. Let's check the permissions. User has all the permissions on this document. Let's check the File menu. You can see the user can save and print this document. Let's check if we can copy content from this document. I select this section of the document and right-click the mouse to copy. I will paste the content into another document. The content is copied here since I have the extract permission on this document. I can also print screen of this document. Let's try it. I can select this and place into another document. As you can see, the content or screen is printed onto another Word document. Thank you for watching the video for SkyDRM feature. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us at the following email. Have a nice day.